Come on, buddy. Go find him. There, go find him. He's on it. Stop. Don't get in front of me. Doing good. He got off, and I say he got him back, got himself back on. Very good. He's off now. He got himself back on. There you go. What a good boy. Oh yeah. Go back in the woods, boy. Okay, he's off. He's getting nothing down there. Okay, so he got distracted by those goose decoys. See if he goes back to where he last smelled it. Very good. Recovery. There you go. That sucker's smart as he can be. My boy. Good boy. What you got there, buddy? What you got there? He gonna deliver the deal. What you got there, big boy? You're so good. You're so good. Good boy. Okay, get him. Hey, good boy. Here. Go here. Okay, tease him with it a little bit. Good boy. You gotta keep the hook. Hey, you gotta keep hold of the chain, Shell. Here. Let him fight it a little bit. There you go. That's what I want him to do.